The BJP's prime ministerial candidate acknowledged Arvind Kejriwal's challenge to him in Varanasi by attacking him at an election rally in Jammu and Kashmir. In his second rally in Jammu in 4 months, Mr. Modi said Pakistan is relying on 3 AKs, AK-47, AK Anthony and AK-49, a dig at the former Delhi Chief Minister.
Modi on a campaign blitzkrieg from Jammu to Western UP to Delhi. The BJP's prime ministerial candidate launched his Bharat Vijay rally, the first among 185 planned. Mr. Modi's first stop, this packed rally in Hiranagar near Jammu. The location, strategic, close to the international border with Pakistan and just a kilometre away from the Hiranagar police station, which witnessed a major encounter 6 months ago. His target, Arvind Kejriwal, recently declared opponent in Varanasi.
ये तीसरे AK-49 के एक सिपाही सालार हैं, उनके बड़े साथी, वो चिक करके कह रहे हैं जनमत संग्रह होना चाहिए और पाकिस्तान इनके बयानों से नाच रहा है पाकिस्तान.
His accusation that the defence minister and the AAP chief are helping Pakistan, triggering a series of angry counterattacks.
ऐसी भाषा इस्तेमाल करना उनको शोभा नहीं देता. हम लोगों ने गुजरात के विकास के ऊपर प्रश्न उठाए, उसके ऊपर वो कभी चर्चा करने को तैयार नहीं है.
He owes a personal apology to Mr. AK Anthony for one. I think he owes an apology to this country.
In contrast with its hardline politics elsewhere, Narendra Modi invoked Vajpayee. He said he'll deal with the Kashmir issue under the ambit of Insaniyat and Kashmiriyat. Whether that will help the party to regain its lost ground in the state is the question.
इंसानियत का, जमहूरियत का, कश्मीरियत का.
By late afternoon, Narendra Modi arrived in western Uttar Pradesh. In the last 6 months since the Muzaffarnagar riots, the influential Jat community, disillusioned with its leaders, showed signs of consolidating behind the BJP. But in the last 1 month, UPA's pre-poll SOP of Jat reservation may have reversed the trend. Jats can swing votes at least 17 of the 28 Lok Sabha seats from Bagpat to Agra.
देश को बर्बाद करने वाले दलों को सजा देने के मिजाज में है, सजा देने के मिजाज.
And in the evening, he renewed his attack on Kejriwal. In a city where even though the BJP had more seats than the AAP, Arvind Kejriwal ran a 49-day government with the Congress's support.
कांग्रेस की एक पार्टी और कांग्रेस भी कोई गलती करे तो हमारा देश माफ करता है, लेकिन कोई धोखा करे तो ये देश कभी माफ नहीं करता.
The choice of Jammu and Kashmir, Western Uttar Pradesh and the national capital is no coincidence on the first day of Narendra Modi's Bharat Vijay rally. In fact, in all these areas, the BJP has hardly won any seats in 2009. And even in the national capital, all 7 members of parliament are from the Congress party. A fact the BJP is acutely aware of. In New Delhi, Kethi Angre, for NDTV.